So that is Chewy and Milo. And yeah, Rex kind of likes to take off. He does come and then he kind of is around us for a couple of seconds and then he kind of takes off again. So, I mean, as long as he comes when I call. Rex! Good boy, Jasper. Good boy, Chewy. We're on the hunt for Rex again. Ollie, how you doing, buddy? I think Ollie prefers riding instead of walking. Okay, well, I wouldn't be surprised if, because he probably knows this park, I wouldn't be surprised if he headed back to the field. Good job, guys. You didn't happen to see a border collie with a long
red lead?
Yeah, he's right there. Okay, yeah, I see him. All right, thank you. Rex! There is Mr. Rex right there. Rex, come on, bud. Oh yeah, and somebody's got a chuck-it ball. Wow. I was thinking I could get away without having a chuck-it ball with me with Rex, but I guess not. Yeah, okay.